Hi everyone! Thanks for watching another one of my YouTube videos. This is a small compilation of one of my most recent commissions I worked on. You can already tell, hopefully, what this is. Just a nice little snowboarding portrait. And I was a little bit nervous at this because painting snow can be very tricky. For some similar reasons I've mentioned in previous videos, working off white canvas can really mess with your highlights. But I'm really happy with how this one came together. You can see here I'm packing on quite a bit of white paint just to get those little bit more brighter spots in the snow to make it look more realistic. One of my biggest questions I get asked is, oh, how do you do it? And it just takes layers. Layer after layer after layer until it feels right. That's basically how I paint everything that I paint. It's not very helpful, but I think the biggest thing with acrylic painting is you can always fix your mistakes. You can really go over it until it just feels right. Now, I know this isn't my most informative video, but I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you soon.